Hey, hello, hi, and good morning, students. Now, in the last week, we have already finished module number 2, and today we are going to start the next module, module number 3rd. Module number 3rd, and this module is based on special functions. Special functions. Now, what do you mean by special functions? This kind of a special functions you already studied in the TYBSc. And to discuss what is the special functions and all, let us enlist the topics that we have to discuss in the complete module. So, of course, in the special functions we have to study special functions only, and there are various kind of special functions like Legendre polynomial. This is denoted by letter Pn of x, and we have to study the generating function, Rodriguez formula, its a differential equation, its orthogonality property, right? Then Hermite polynomial, second kind of polynomial, Hermite polynomial. Third kind of a polynomial that we are going to study here is a Laguerre function. Laguerre polynomial, and Bessel polynomial. Sorry, you can say Bessel function. Along with this, we have to study the generating function of all these kind of polynomials. It's a recurrence relation. Differential equation. It's a Rodriguez formula. Orthogonality property. So this kind of things we are going to study about the special functions, and along with this we have to also study the Bessel function for first kind and associated Legendre polynomial, Bessel function of first kind. And sixth is associated Legendre polynomial. So this is the topics of special functions that we have to study in the module number 3rd. Now, what is the special functions? The special functions are these: Legendre polynomial, Hermite polynomial, Laguerre polynomial, Bessel function of first kind, second kind, or associated Legendre polynomial. These are called as the special functions, right? Apart from that, there are various kind of functions which exist in the mathematics, and these kind of functions like logarithmic function, exponential function, trigonometric function, algebraic function, hyperbolic function. So these kind of functions are called as elementary functions, whereas whatever I just now mentioned, all these are called as the special functions. Now let's go for the first kind of a polynomial, that is Legendre polynomial. And this kind of a polynomial is indicated with letter Pn of x, and it has a differential equation, right? And its a differential equation is written as 1 minus x square y double prime minus 2x y prime plus n into n plus 1 into y is equals to 0. So this is the differential equation for Legendre polynomial, or this kind of differential equation is also written by using differential operator. So this can be written as 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 into y is equals to 0. So both are the Legendre polynomials, right? And this, let us say this is equation number 1. This Legendre polynomial has a general solution. Being a differential equation, it has a general solution, and the general solution of this differential equation, Legendre differential equation, is given by y equals to a some arbitrary constant into Pn of x plus b into Qn of x. Let us say this is equation number 1. So this equation number 1 is the general solution of this equation, where this a and b are arbitrary constant, right? Where Pn of x is called as Legendre polynomial, I'll write in short LP, and Qn of x is called as Legendre polynomial of second kind. Right? And both this Pn of x and Qn of x has an equations, right? So this Pn of x is obtained by using the Rodriguez formula. Let me write the equations for Pn of x and Qn of x, which are not much important as far as your university exam is concerned. So let's write only those equations. So Pn of x is equals to, and this is 1 into 3 into 5. In this way, it generates the odd number 2n minus 1 divided by n factorial into x raised to n minus n into n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 into x raised to power n minus 2 divided by 2 plus there is one more term, and the term I can write as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 2n minus 1 2n minus 3, isn't it, into x raised to n minus 4 divided by 2 into 4 plus next terms. So this is called as the Legendre polynomial, Legendre equation, or Legendre polynomial of degree n, because its degree is n. Legendre polynomial of degree n, and first few polynomials are obtained by using a Rodriguez formula. Is obtained by using Rodriguez formula. So what is the Rodriguez formula that we are going to study, right? And before proceeding to the next step, let's write the similar kind of equations for Legendre polynomial of second kind, right? That is Qn of x. This is Pn of x. Now write for Qn of x. I will make the changes into the same equation. So Qn of x is equals to n factorial divided by odd number, n factorial divided by 1 into 3 into 5 into, it generates the odd number 2n minus 1 you can write, or 2n plus 1 you can write, both are same, right? X raised to power minus n minus 1 plus n plus 1 into, I will just keep this, plus n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 2n plus 3. divided by 2n plus 3 into x raised to minus n minus 3 by 2. X raised to power minus n minus 3 by 2 plus next kind of terms. So this is called as a Qn of x, that is Legendre polynomial of second kind. So these both relations Pn of x and Qn of x are not much important. What is the important point for us is the Rodriguez formula, and let's move for the Rodriguez formula and obtain some few first polynomials. And so I can say Rodriguez formula for Pn of x. Rodriguez formula. For Pn of x, and this Rodriguez formula is give you Pn of x is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to n into n factorial into nth derivative of x square minus 1 raised to power n. This is your Rodriguez formula, which is important. Now by using this you can obtain some few first polynomial, at least first 3 polynomials, and to obtain this put the values of n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So if you put n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, this gives you the polynomials p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x, and p3 of x. So these are the first 4 Legendre polynomials, right? So let's obtain this by putting the values of n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, and for n is equals to 0, your Pn of x will become p0 of x, and this is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to 0, 0 factorial is a 0, 0, 2 raised to 0 is 1, and 0 factorial is 1 into nth derivative, that means 0th derivative, no derivative, into x square minus 1 raised to power 0. 0th derivative and something raised to power 0, so this gives you a 1. You see, this means p0 of x is equals to 1. We got the first polynomial. P0 of x has a value equals to 1, which is simple. Now again, n is equals to 1. If you put, this will give you p1 of x, right? So this is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to 1, that means 2, into 1 factorial, that means 1 only, and the first order derivative of x square minus 1 raised to power n is 1. This gives me 1 upon 2 into first order derivative of x square 1 minus 1. X square minus 1 has a derivative equals to 2x, isn't it? And thus this gives me the second Legendre polynomial p1 of x is equals to x, right? So we got the second Legendre polynomial by using the Rodriguez formula. Similarly, you can obtain the third polynomial, Legendre polynomial, by putting the value of n is equals to 2. Now this gives you p2 of x is equals to, now use the value of n is equals to 2 into Rodriguez formula. This gives 1 upon 2 raised to 2 is 4 into 2 factorial is 2 only, into second order derivative of x square minus 1 raised to power 2. If you simplify, this will give you 1 upon 8, 4 2s are 8, into second order derivative. We'll take the first derivative. So first derivative will be equals to 2 into x square minus 1 into derivative of this bracket is a 2x, right? And if you take one more derivative, 2 into 2 is a 4, which is a constant, you can take it outside. And if you take this outside, I will make the change here only, this will be a 4, right? And this gives you half only. So half into, now you can multiply by x to this to make this more simple. This will be x cube minus x, and then take the derivative. And if you simplify, this will give you 1 half into x cube minus x, and its the derivative is a 3x square minus 1, right? So your third Legendre polynomial p2 of x is equals to 1 half 3x square minus 1, right? So this is your next kind of a polynomial, 1 half times 3x square minus 1. Similarly, you are requested to obtain the next few kind of polynomial, which becomes more tedious now because the derivative goes on increasing. So at least obtain first next few, that is p3 and p4 of x at your own, right? This you have already studied in the earlier standard. So I think this is okay for the first lecture on module number 3, and tomorrow we'll go for the generating function of the Legendre polynomial, and now with this Rodriguez formula and some primary information of special functions, we'll stop. So thank you.